Since 2004, Bartec has been a leading supplier of tire pressure monitoring systems and solutions. The recognized industry leader in TPMS diagnostic and repair equipment, Bartec has delivered more industry firsts than any other tool manufacturer. Whether it be the very first OBD2 TPMS service tool, the TEC 400, or the very first wireless front counter tool, the TEC 200, or the industry's first wireless OBD2 TPMS service tool, the TEC 500, Bartec is always adding features and functions to make TPMS service easier and more profitable. Other Bartec industry firsts include wireless inductive tool charging for the TEC 500 tool, pressure displayed by position, the wildly popular process-driven menu system, at-the-car sensor programming, and the ability to detect and show TPMS diagnostic trouble codes. Each of these unique offerings from Bartec make TPMS diagnostics faster and easier so that you can focus on servicing more customers. Bartec's latest TPMS tool update is no different. Announcing Tool Update 51 for the range of Bartec TPMS tools. In the tried and true tradition of Bartec tool updates, we packed in more industry-first functionality, key process improvements, and new features. And of course, the very latest in vehicle coverage, including 2014 models. What sets Bartec apart from the rest? Bartec believes in consistently adding value to our line of tools, some of which have been in use for many years, and yes, we're still adding functions to those veteran workhorse tools. Let's have a look at what's included in Tool Update 51. Bartec introduces the Mitsubishi Assisted Relearn solution. Sending your Mitsubishi customers away with a blinking TPMS light or worse is a thing of the past with this industry-first OBD solution designed specifically to be used with Bartec OBD service tools. Now, technicians can diagnose, repair, and relearn Mitsubishi tire pressure monitoring systems right in their service bay. Gone are the days of sending the customer to the dealer for the relearn, or worse, losing the sale altogether. With the R51 update and the Mitsubishi adapter cable, you have everything you need to do the job right and keep the work in-house. In typical Bartec fashion, we've made the Mitsubishi Assisted Relearn flexible and easy. Because Bartec developed this solution based on the OE dealer method, the TPMS service tool remains connected to the car while you drop the pressure at each tire to activate the sensors. Remember, when connected to a Mitsubishi, use your new Mitsubishi Assisted Relearn adapter, which you can get from your authorized Bartec distributor. Bartec also included an alternate relearn method that allows the technician to use a separate activation tool during the assisted relearn. This is the faster way of completing the relearn, but not required if you do not have another TPMS tool available. However, if you have one of these tools still in your shop, dust it off, put some fresh batteries in it, and use it to speed up the relearn process. Bartec announces another exciting feature, Couplex sensor programming for the TEC 500 TPMS service tool. Also part of Tool Update 51 is sensor programming for the range of Couplex aftermarket sensors. The most recognized brands are the Smart Sensor from 31 Incorporated, the Multi-Fit from Dorman, and the Unisensor from ITM. Each of these sensors are unique in that they require a specialized programming fixture to program them. The sensors themselves have contact pads, and the specialized programming fixture must have the means of connecting with the sensor via these contacts in order to program. Previously, this programming step required a separate programming tool. Bartec has changed all that and has created a programmer fixture designed specifically for the TEC 500 TPMS service tool and the Couplex style sensors. Because of Bartec's experience with on-the-tool and at-the-car sensor programming, we've made the process easy to follow and to complete. When programming a replacement sensor using the Couplex programming fixture, simply follow the process-driven menu system, beginning with selecting Program Sensor from the home screen. The TEC 500 walks you through the process of selecting a vehicle, the right sensor, and finally, programming and the repair. Bartec introduces Alligator sensit programming for the TEC 400 Plus. Also in Update 51 is a new feature for a veteran tool, and there's no need to send your tool away. Simply download the update from your active Bartec tool account and install it on your TEC 400 Plus. With the update installed, you can now program the sensit sensor from Alligator. Programming sensit with the Tech 400 Plus is easy too. As always, the tool menu guides you through the programming process. Because working with sensit using Bartec tools is easy and flexible, you can program the sensors in free space, at the car, or through the wheel after installed, whichever works best for your shop. Update 51 includes more TPMS vehicle coverage too. Many new vehicles and sensor coverage for 2014 are included in this latest update. The Bartec product management team prides itself on staying ahead of competition, and always having the very latest and most complete TPMS vehicle coverage is how they do it. Bartec's latest OBD tools now cover 98.7% of the TPMS vehicles found on the road. Some of the new coverage for 2014 is the Dodge Ram and a new TRW sensor, the Toyota RAV4 with new TRW and Pacific sensors, and the Infiniti Q50 with a Continental sensor. Something else that Bartec prides themselves in is the very best in OBD relearn coverage. As you know, there are three basic relearn types: stationary, auto-learn, and OBD. Stationary involves a tool putting the car into learn mode and activating the sensors. Auto-learn requires driving the vehicle, and OBD means collecting the IDs from the sensors and programming them through the OBD. Stationary relearns are often difficult because they require knowing the relearn procedure and successfully getting the car into learn mode. Bartec has made this type of relearn much easier, and for more than 200 of these vehicles. Only Bartec tools have the OBD relearn and diagnostic function on GM, Ford, and Chrysler TPMS vehicles. No more struggling with lost key fobs or relearn hokey pokey. This makes the repair process even faster and more accurate. Bartec announces TPMS Desktop 2.0. Finally, to bring it all together is Bartec's latest version of the TPMS Desktop. This tool software application is a comprehensive and powerful utility to help manage your Bartec TPMS tools. Simply visit our website at www.bartecusa.com and click on the tab to download this free application. The TPMS Desktop features 6 modules that include audit reports, tool updates, vehicle lookup, settings, TPMS pad operation, as well as video and TSB content. Use the Audit module to download, save, sort, and look up TPMS audit reports. Quickly reference this important data as you talk TPMS with your customers. The Update module simplifies the tool update process, making keeping your tool current and up-to-date seamless and effortless. The Vehicle Lookup module provides a snapshot of the vehicle being worked on and points to additional resources like the TPMS Hub. The Settings module helps to manage the software application and the connections with your TPMS tools. The TPMS Pad module runs the Bartec TPMS programming accessory device. Using the pad and the desktop at the front counter, you can quickly test sensors and program replacements. And finally, there's the Video module where Bartec continues to populate the latest in training and how-to videos, as well as the latest in technical service bulletins. The TPMS Desktop is just another example of how Bartec continues to add value not only to new customers, but with our existing customers as well. Well, there you have it, an overview of Bartec's most comprehensive tool update thus far. It's easy to see that Bartec remains committed to constant improvement in all that we do. Tool Update 51 is only the latest example of that commitment, and we're not done. In updates coming later this year are TIA Inside, where the Tire Industry Association and Bartec team up and put even more information in the hands of the technician using Bartec TPMS tools. Also, look for more stationary to OBD relearn conversions as we continue to lead the way towards a universal and single relearn process and drive our overall TPMS coverage towards 100%. Bartec, persistently consistent in making TPMS service easier and profitable.